Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So on Windows 11, after an update has been downloaded through Windows Update, be that a Patch Tuesday update or optional bug fix C-release update, in most cases you need to restart your device to apply the update. And when your system reboots, as you may well know, you'll land on this screen as part of the reboot process. The spinning circle screen, working on updates, 2%, please keep your computer on. And it says your computer may restart a few times. I'm sure you've seen that screen when doing Windows updates. Now, what is happening in this process and during this process is the Windows 11 is attempting to install the update by replacing the updated files, which are mainly system files. And what you also may have noticed is that it can appear to be stuck or frozen, causing you to worry that the PC has entered a bad update state. Now, according to Microsoft, this is happening for a reason, because Windows 11 now turns on automatic recovery for update failures, which can mean that this process can take a while longer than it should. Now, this is all according to this blog post. Your Windows Update experience just got updated. And this is Microsoft's Windows 11 K2 initiative, where Microsoft said it's fixing Windows 11 this year in 2026. And I actually posted a whole video regarding this announcement that Microsoft is finally giving you full control over Windows 11 updates. I'll leave it linked down below and in the end screen if you'd like some more information. But if we head down to this section, this is the interesting bit about what we are talking about today in this video. Microsoft says in this section, further, we are ensuring devices stay secure by default through automatic recovery for update failures, taking additional steps in the background to help the update complete successfully without user intervention. This means your device will automatically attempt to recover from installation failures in real time, causing some updates to take longer to complete, but ensuring they have a higher success rate. That's according to Microsoft and this announcement. So basically what's happening is that Windows detects when an update is having trouble installing, and then it will take steps in the background to enable a smoother installation, according to Microsoft. Which also means that Windows Update won't end abruptly, cause an error, and then send you back to the desktop with an error code that most can't even understand. So with this new recovery process, instead what's happening is that Windows is trying to automatically recover from the failure and continue the update. That's why Microsoft says this process can take a bit longer than normal. So I thought this was interesting and just wanted to put it out there because obviously we talk about updates quite in depth on this channel. So basically, according to Microsoft, with this new process, Windows updates now have higher success rates, and that's because of the background recovery checks that are going on under the hood. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.